Hello guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your location on Facebook. Okay, let's get started without wasting much time. Okay, just click on the Facebook application, then click on your profile picture just like this. Then you want to click on this gear icon. It will take you to settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you see this place for device permissions. Click on it. Okay, then click location. Okay, then you want to click on this place for update settings. Then open device settings. Okay, now click on permissions. Scroll down, click on location, then click on allow only while using the app. Okay, then toggle this off. This one for use process location, toggle it off. Okay, then go back to the Facebook application. Scroll back, just scroll back, then click on your profile picture once again, then click on your profile here. Now click on these three dots here, then click on profile settings, click on edit. Now scroll down, just scroll down until you see place for details. Click edit, then scroll down, then your location. You can change your location by tapping this one. Choose any city. Here you can choose even okay, Dallas, Texas. Okay, choose any city. That's not a city. I can choose New York. Okay, then save. Just like that, I've managed to change my location on Facebook. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.